फिलिंग। इम्प्रॉपर लैंड फिलिंग से क्या होगा, आप यहाँ पे और देयर इज एन ऑर्गेनिक एंड अर्बन वेस्ट इज देयर। व्हाट इज देयर? अर्बन वेस्ट। और इस अर्बन वेस्ट में क्या रहेगा? लेड, कॉपर, डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ मिनरल्स विल बी देयर, पॉसिबली मर्करी एंड ऑर्गेनिक सब्सटेंसेस। इससे क्या हो जाएगा? सॉयल विल कंप्लीटली, इफ इट इज नॉट प्रॉपरली लाइंड, इफ नॉट प्रॉपरली लाइन मीन्स यहाँ पे सीमेंटेड होना चाहिए या प्लास्टिक काइंड ऑफ व्हाट इज लार्ज कवरेज, थिक कवरेज, सो दैट दे कैन नॉट व्हाट percolate. Leaching of what? Chemicals should not be there. Yes. Otherwise, धीरे धीरे organic waste start decomposing, and through the decomposing, they will start coming into the soil. और यही धीरे धीरे किसमें हमने बताया था? That will cause water pollution, underground water pollution. So improper land filling is causing what? Water pollution, soil pollution. So we should do proper lining, and generally we know that on the urban waste area, generally in the urban region, there is I said that there is a large amount of what? Urban waste, and they need to be properly what? Done through the land filling sites, should be what? Properly managed. Direct discharge of industrial waste into the land. Next one I said that. Direct discharge of industrial waste into the land. Yes, Raman, tell me what will happen because of this industrial waste? These chemicals, then who will get affected in the soil? Microorganism and macroorganism will get affected. Yes, they will finish, means soil ecosystem finished. Another, what will happen? It will become what is a concentration of what? Concentration of what? Chemical pollutants. Yes, तो chemical substances यदि concentration हो जाएगा तो वहाँ पे तो होगा ही नहीं ना. The soil is not a soil. Soil is not a soil. It is in a what is in a region of what? Chemical particles. So इसके वजह से क्या हो जाएगा? Loss of soil micro and macro organism ecosystem. Loss of what? Soil micro and macro organism ecosystem will get affected. Another, I said that high concentration of chemical substances, and it is not easy to treat. Yes or not? High concentration of chemical substances, and it is not easy to treat. आप ट्रीट नहीं कर पाओगे, क्या? So permanent loss of soil, permanent loss of. Can you treat this if the industrial waste it is coming, or वहाँ पे if you think of growing anything, it is not easy to do it, especially in organic. Land filling of radioactive waste, ये तो complete ही soil को क्या बना देगा? Getting my point? Completely what? Inorganic, so macro and what is it? So radioactive substances will again make the soil to be what is it? Radioactive land filling site. ये तो लॉस ऑफ सॉइल, माइक्रो एंड मैक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म फॉर एवर. यस, नथिंग विल लेफ्ट. हमारे जब नागासाकी हिरोशिमा में भी लोग अफेक्टेड हुए तो उस समय पूरा विजिबल नहीं हुआ दैट द ह्यूमन सिस्टम के जेनेटिक स्ट्रक्चर चेंज हो गए. एंड द नेक्स्ट जेनेटिक स्ट्रक्चर जब द स्प्रिंग कैम, they have some kind of genetic problem. That is, I said that mutation, that is, I said some error in the replication of what? DNA. Understood? Next one, I said that excessive farming, construction, overgrazing, burning of grass cover and deforestation. ये एक ही साथ सारा कुछ खत्म कर रहा है, समझ में आ रहा है? Excessive farming. What is the meaning of excessive farming? Loss of organic organism. बताया था ना, इसको excessive farming करोगे, that is a kind of especially monoculture. क्लियर? तो क्या हो जाएगा? Particular nutrient from the soil will get loss. तो इसमें लिखते चलेंगे आप लोग farming. Excessive farming. से फार्मिंग से क्या होगा? लॉस ऑफ, स्पेशली विच वन आई सेड दैट? मोनोकल्चर. मोनोकल्चर एंड नो फैलो. यस और नॉट? लैंड को आप फैलो नहीं छोड़ रहे. एक्सेसिव फार्मिंग में क्या होगा? यस, मोनोकल्चर प्रैक्टिस मीन्स ग्रोइंग द सेम क्रॉप्स. And after the agricultural revolution, we have this kind of it, because for the food security we need what? Rice and then wheat. Yes or not? So the population started growing this. This is in the more demand, and that led to the coming of monoculture practice in the northern India and down along the Godavari Krishna. And because of this excessive farming, what happened? Loss of particular nutrients and other nutrients. So monoculture will remove particular nutrient, and then no fallow will remove other nutrients. Yes or not? If you are not fallowing the land after certain period, then the hydrocarbons will also reduce from the soil, because there is not able to absorb the carbon dioxide and other nutrients into the soil. If the green crops will be there, they will be able to. So grasses क्या करते हैं? They are giving lots of humus and all. Excessive farming. Next one, I said that construction. Like I said that roads, railways, urbanization, industrialization. ये क्या कर रहे हैं? They are taking the land which is fertile, and that land become permanently what? Infertile. Yes or not? You can't use it. So construction means I said that roads के लिए, railways के लिए, urbanization, growth of urban areas, and then industrialization, causing what? Loss of fertile soil for permanently. आप इसको use कर सकते हैं? नहीं, चलो करते हैं, खेती करते हैं यहीं पर. You can't do it. Understood it? So construction, I am talking about excessive. I am not saying that it is an excessive farming, construction. And overgrazing कैसा होना चाहिए? Controlled or excessive? Controlled. And if it is an excessive grazing, then what will happen? Soil get exposed. And there will be different types of soil erosion. Different types of what? Soil erosion. Yes, soil get exposed, and उसके ऊपर में exposed soil को क्या होगा? River splash, sheet erosion, that they will become effective. Next is burning of grass cover. The same way, burning of grass cover. लेकिन burning of grass cover is soil get exposed, but at the same time I said that उससे क्या हो जाएगा? Loss of some macro and microorganism. Burning of grass cover, soil get exposed. लेकिन ये कौन कर रहा है? Who is doing this? पंजाब हरियाणा, मतलब कोई भी चीज एग्रीकल्चर वैसे उसको बंद करने लग जा रहा है. द रीजन बिहाइंड कि थोड़ा बहुत क्या हो जाए नेक्स्ट ईयर, ऑर्गेनिक सब्सटेंसेस कैन व्हाट इज ना फिक्स इनटू द सॉइल, जिससे उनका राइस वगैरह एंड देन अदर थिंग्स कैन वीट जिसमें कार्बोहाइड्रेट परसेंटेज ज्यादा होता है, दे कैन ग्रो मोर. अंडरस्टूड? बर्निंग ऑफ ग्रास कवर, and burning of grass cover says soil get exposed, and another it is I said that what is happening? Yes, loss of micro and macro organism. Understood? And deforestation, जानते हैं क्या करेगा? What the deforestation will do? Deforestation, soil get exposed. Deforestation से क्या होगा? Yes, soil get exposed, and there will be different types of what? Soil erosion. And then fixation of, I said that nutrients will also reduce, will reduce इकोलॉजिकल, ये सारी चीज़ इकोलॉजिकल इम्बैलेंस, ये सारा कुछ हम लोग वर्क कर रहे हैं. मिस न्यूट्रिएंट साइकिल गेट डिस्टर्ब. पेड़ में क्या था? नाइट्रोजन एंड फॉस्फेट्स. डिफॉरेस्टेशन करके कहीं और ले गए, सॉइल में न्यूट्रिएंट्स क्या हो गया? लॉस, इट हैज गॉन समवेयर एल्स. यस, एंड देयर इज एन ग्रेट लॉस ऑफ इकोसिस्टम on the tree. आपको कल भी मैंने बताया था, there is a pyramid. Yes, on the tree several, I said that birds and all, there is some parasites, hyper parasites and all these are there. Clear? Understood? Excessive farming, construction, overgrazing, burning of grasses and deforestation. Excess salts and water, ये तो आपको पता ही heavy irrigation में हो चुका है. Dumping of solid waste, ये किस में हो चुका है? इंडस्ट्रीज में. कहाँ गया? इंडस्ट्रियल वेस्ट. एंड डिफॉरेस्टेशन एंड सॉइल इरोजन, दैट वी आर डूइंग ऑलवेज. क्लियर? Now, how to control this land pollution? How to control this land pollution? Can I say that proper tillage? First it is I said that proper tillage. Can I say that proper irrigation? Can I say that? And can I say that use of organic fertilizer and organic pesticide? Organic fertilizer, organic pesticides. And then proper maintenance of pipelines. Understood? Proper land filling. मुझे कैसा करना चाहिए? Land filling should be proper. And then industrial waste should not be what? Discharged into the nearby land. There should be other way of to discharge into the barren land. उनको उठाकर कहीं से barren land में. Otherwise, industry should grow into the region where the fertile land is not there. According to this. नहीं तो industry will give their industrial waste, and this industrial waste will come, there is a solid waste, so they should grow in the region where there is no barren lands are there. In the barren land they can grow, industrial policy के according. Access, and then I said that proper land filling में इसमें आ गए, proper land filling should be done for them. Yes. And farming should be what is ना, organic farming, mixed farming, crop rotation. ये सारी चीजें हम लोग करेंगे. कंट्रोल्ड ग्रेजिंग एंड डिफॉरेस्टेशन में क्या कहूंगा मैं? एफॉरेस्टेशन एंड रिफॉरेस्टेशन. अंडरस्टूड? These are the things. And then we have also talked about if I in the soil particular bacteria if I'll do, they will also remove this pollution, bioremediation, or proper heating can, what is the help in the growth of microbes? It is known as, I said that, thermal remediation. Yeah, proper oxygenation into the in the soil will also, what is going to make the pollution to remove. So how to control proper tillage, how to control land pollution, proper tillage, proper irrigation, proper use of fertilizer and pesticides, especially यहाँ पे लिखेंगे organic, proper land filling, best agriculture practice. What is the best agriculture practice? I have said earlier, agroforestry, types of agroforestry, जिसमें आपको mixed farming, I said that there is a mixed farming, we have to talk about crop rotation, you have to talk about intercropping, LA cropping, वो सब agroforestry में आ जाएंगे, and afforestation and reforestation.